Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tolu. If you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for coming back again. Today I'm taking you on another tour, and this is another 5-bedroom duplex right here in Omole phase 1. This is different from the one I took you to earlier. So if this is what you like to see, sit relax and enjoy this video as we go around the house. Do not hesitate to give me a call. The number is going to be right here on your screen. There are 2 units of this 5-bedroom. There were 3, another one has been sold, so there are 2 units of this exact type, which is different from the first one I showed you earlier. So join me as we take a look at this house. This property sits on 350 square meters. The title is C of O and it's selling for 240 million naira in a secure estate. If you want to know more about this estate and take a look around, I already have a video for that. It's going to be linked at the end of this video, or you can also find it in the description box. Please watch that video so you can decide if this suits you. The ante room, guest toilet, the living room. There are many windows and it's quite spacious. The lights in this house are not on, but if you want to have an idea of the lighting, you can check my last video. It's going to be linked at the end of this one. It has the same type of lighting. You can have your dining area around here. You have space round the staircase, just like the other house we saw. Let's take a look at the kitchen. Wow. It looks classy. You have your intercom here, and there's an inner wall space here. You can choose to place your fridge here and some other things. The choice of color is attractive. You have your sink, your burner. You can chill with your family and catch a nice snack here. I like the black and white theme. CCTV camera here. Let's go to the guest room right opposite the kitchen. Guest bathroom.
Without wasting much of your time, let's go upstairs. Family room. Two rooms here, one to the right, one to the left. Let's see this one first. Straight to the next room. This is the third room we're seeing in this house. We started with the guest room downstairs. If you're getting any value from my videos, please hit that like button and subscribe, please. Thank you so much. The intercom is everywhere. The rooms are quite spacious. Madame's room. I like the shiny finish on the wardrobe. Please stay with me. After we're done with touring inside the house, we're going to go around the house to see what is there. This is beautiful. Walk-in closet. Check out the light coming in from the large window. Nice. This has to be my favorite room. Don't you just love this room? This room is looking this classy and you don't even have lights on. Imagine when you now have your selected tone of lights on. Oh. Wow, look at the view. There are windows here for proper ventilation. That's the master's bathroom across the room, but before we see it, let's find out what's on this side. Your own private balcony. You have tinted glass here, so nothing hits you as you walk out, be it sun or rain. Check out the view. You can see the road. You can have a good look at your compound from here. The compound can conveniently park 4 cars. What do you think? I love the lineup of these doors. Master's bathroom. Nice color, nice finish. Let's take a look at the back of the house. A sneak peek. Wow, this boys' quarters is spacious and is very neatly done. This takes you to the front of the house, but let's go back and see the door that I passed the first time. So you can come into your kitchen right from the back as well.
This is under 5-bedroom house, and this is going for 250 million naira. So hurry up and use the number on your screen. Call me and let's talk.
Click here to watch the next video.